Dr. T here at the Springfield Science Museum, and today we're going to talk about one of my favorite things, and maybe one of your favorite things. I bet you've been able to guess what it is by now. Slime! So, in making slime, you might have already been making slime at home. You might have already been making oobleck at home. Oobleck is mostly cornstarch and water. You mix it together and it starts to have the properties of a solid and a liquid. When you squeeze it, it's hard. When you let go, it's like runny. Slime is similar as a polymer. And anytime you're making slime, you know that you need two things. You need a base and you need an activator. So when we make slime in the lab, and you'll notice that I'm wearing my lab goggles to protect my eyes, we have PVA, polyvinyl alcohol, and we have sodium borate here. Now, what this looks like for you, this activator, you can use contact lens solution, because if you look at the ingredient list, it's usually a sodium borate something, 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 sodium salt. And then for your base, you can use all kinds of different things, and I'm going to show you a couple of different slimes that we made. You can buy some pre-made stuff, like this spooky slime over here. You can also use things like Elmer's glue. You might use clear glue, or you might use regular glue like this. Either is going to work. You can add food coloring, and you can get a slime that's pretty colorful. You can add shaving cream, and that'll add a little bit of scent. Sometimes people use hair conditioner too, and you'll get a slime that looks kind of like this, kind of a fluffy slime. Kind of neat. Elmer's glue, when you mix it together, this one actually starts to look more like putty. And it's a little more viscous than some of the other slimes we'll see. This is one of my favorites. This is sodium polyacrylate, otherwise known as magic snow, and it's hydrophilic. It loves water, so it comes in a powder. You add water to it, puffs right up, and you can actually use it in slime. So you actually get a slime that looks a little bit chunky. You can also have all kinds of different mix-ins, and this is one of my favorite things to do. So you have your base and your activator together. You add in a little bit of foil. All right, you get a slime that's a little bit shiny. You can add in different things. This one we wanted to make kind of a spooky Halloween-looking slime. But you can add in all kinds of different things, like googly eyes. Sometimes you can make crunchy slime using little styrofoam balls. You get all these different things online. But at its most basic, to make slime, all you need is a base and an activator. Remember, have a grown-up nearby. Make sure your grown-ups are aware that you're making some slime, because this can get messy and gross and super scientific. We can't wait to hear what kind of cool things you make for your slime. Make sure you check out our email, send us an email, send us some pictures of what you make, and happy science!